Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10T and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi you should use the switcher, just click here once and after that we can see here all the available networks. Now we can select one from this network and enter here the password, and if you want to see this password you should use this eye icon. I'll enter it out of screen. Just to connect to this network you should click here to OK on the right upper corner. Wait a second and now we can see that our network, our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to use more networks you can make it just for example by the same way. Enter here the password, tap to connect, and after that you can switch between these two networks. To turn off the Wi-Fi you should just click here on this icon and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. On the left upper corner of the notification panel you will see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just click here once on this icon and you will activate the Wi-Fi. Just to use Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon and then just select network and just enter the password, tap to connect, and to turn off this icon you should click here on this Wi-Fi icon once again and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.